Okay, all set up. Got my first client of the day with his lovely Ducati. This is in for one of our full works valets. Check him out. He has his own YouTube channel, Off the Charts. So this is in for a full works valet. That will include the Ultimaxx ceramic on all the bodywork. We will do a 2-stage machine polish. As you can see, it's got a few scratches here and there. Doesn't have a lot of miles on this, but he does use it through all weathers, so it's got a bit of corrosion setting in on a few bits and pieces already, which I had pointed out. I don't know what they're putting on these roads now. Look at that. See all the corrosion? All your banjo bolts. We'll get all these off. He wants these silly reflectors taken off. So we're going to get all this cleaned up. We'll get all this exhaust all polished up like new. We're going to get some XCP corrosion protection on all the lower half, as it's already been used, and the ceramic really won't adhere properly to that. We will ceramic the wheels once we get them all cleaned up and get all that chain. Nice to see a well-lubed chain. Yeah, we got our work cut out for us with this one. Let's get her looking pretty again. Just taking these caliper bolts off. You can see how corroded they are. It doesn't take long at all. So we're going to get these all polished up, get some XCP on them, and we'll get these back on. There you go, as good as new. We'll get these back in and we'll brush up a bit of XCP on those to keep those from corroding. Okay, we're on to the next stage now. She's been thoroughly XCP'd, all the lower half. We have misted it on to every little nook and cranny. I've brushed a bit onto extra nuts and bolts, which I think might corrode. The caliper bolts are all back in, torqued up. We've put a bit of XCP on those. All up underneath here has all been XCP'd because they corrode. All your switch gear, nuts and bolts, anything that I think might corrode has had a nice little brushing of XCP. Now we're going to wipe down all this bodywork just to get any extra overspray off. Same with the wheels. And then we're going to do a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork just to make sure there's no imperfections before we prep it and put the Ultimaxx ceramic on. We're going to do the same with the wheels. So let's crack on with a bit of polishing. Okay, so all this body work has now been wiped down just to remove any overspray of the XCP. You can see all the marks in this paintwork. Luckily it's red, so it doesn't show up too bad, but once you get a light on it, you can see some spider webs, some small scratches. So we're going to do a, oh yeah, you can see quite a bit on there. We will do a 2-stage machine polish. Good old flex machine. We'll start out with the green pad, and we will use the Diamond Cut 3000 to get started with. Okay, so that's the first stage of polishing done. Like I said, we use the 3000 just to cut through any imperfections. Look at that. That is one run. That Diamond Cut 3000 Cartec product is such. Look at that. Managed to remove all those little scratches, all that spider webbing. And now we're going to finish off with the Diamond Cut 9000 just to really give it that nice bit of gloss, and then we will prep it and we'll get that Ultimaxx ceramic on. There you go, 3 hours and 15 minutes on the dot. This Ducati has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at the paintwork, absolutely popping. That's had the 2-stage machine polish with the Cartec 3000, finished off with the 9000, all prepped up, and then we treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic. Look at the gloss on that. I've ceramicked all the bodywork, and these wheels make it nice and easy to keep clean. Got that nice little bit of sheen to them. All the exhaust has been minted up. Same with the front wheel, all your front mudguard. Everything's now fully protected for the years ahead. Let's get this bad boy off of here and get him on his way. Don't forget, he's got his own YouTube channel. Check him out, Off the Charts. Look at the shine on that. Absolutely gleaming. All done in just over 3 hours. All the exhaust up underneath. Managed to get all that burnt on tar off. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.